Opening shot fast-cut montage of neon-lit gaming rigs, a thunderstorm of RGB, and the Skytech Shadow 5 being unboxed. Upbeat synth music fades under the host's voice. Host enthusiastic, authoritative hey gamers, creators, and power users. Imagine a machine that roars through Elden Ring's massive bosses, renders 4K video in seconds, and never breaks a sweat. No, it's not a fantasy. It's the brand new Skytech Shadow 5. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to tear this beast apart, show you why every spec matters, compare it to the competition, and tell you exactly who should click buy now. Let's dive in. Cut to close-up of the chassis, the RGB fans pulsing. Host first up, the heart of the Shadow 5, the AMD Ryzen 770-700. It clocks a base 3.8 GHz and can sprint to 5.3 GHz with turbo boost. That's 8 cores and 16 threads built on Zen 4 architecture, delivering up to 20% more IPC than the previous generation. In real-world terms, you'll see level loading in Cyberpunk 2077 drop from 8 seconds to under 3, and frame time spikes in Valorant vanish. Compare that to a typical i5-12400F at 4.4 GHz, you lose roughly 30% of performance in CPU-bound titles like Starfield, especially at 1440p, where the CPU becomes the bottleneck. Visual side-by-side benchmark graph of Ryzen 7 7700 versus i5-12400F. Host now storage. A 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD isn't just a big name drop. With read speeds topping 5 GBs, you're looking at up to 30 times faster than a 7,200 revolutions per minute HDD. That translates to instant game launches, near-zero texture pop-in in Hogwarts Legacy, and lightning-quick project imports for video editors. If you've ever waited for a game to install on a traditional drive, this SSD wipes that frustration away. Cut to a split screen of game loading on HDD versus SSD. Host cooling is where the Shadow 5 truly separates the pros from the hobbyists. A 360mm AIO liquid cooler with ARGB fans replaces the outdated clunky air coolers you see on budget rigs. Liquid cooling maintains CPU temps in the low 50°C range even under an 8-hour marathon of Diablo 4. That means the processor can stay at boost frequencies longer, eliminating thermal throttling. Compare that to a stock air cooler that climbs past 80°C after 20 minutes, you'll see a noticeable dip in FPS and a louder fan profile. Visual temperature readout overlay during stress test. Host graphics power. The RTX 5070 12GB GDDR5 cards. The next step up from the RTX 4070 delivers a full 20% bump in ray tracing performance and a massive bandwidth increase thanks to GDDR5. In 1440p Quad HD, you'll cruise past 60 FPS on ultra settings in God of War Ragnarok, and you'll actually see those beautiful reflections in Cyberpunk 2077 without dipping below 50 FPS. If you compare it to an RTX 3060 Ti, you're gaining roughly 2 extra frames per second in fast-paced shooters and a smoother VR experience. Clip side-by-side gameplay footage RTX 3060 Ti versus RTX 5070. Host memory matters, too. 32GB of DDR5-6000 RAM with a stylish heat spreader isn't just for bragging rights. DDR5 doubles the bandwidth of DDR4, cutting down on texture streaming delays. In content creation software like Adobe Premiere, you'll notice a 15% faster render time when working with 8K footage. And the RGB lighting? It syncs with the case fans for that immersive aesthetic you love. Without sacrificing performance, the heat spreader keeps temperatures under control even during intense multitasking. Show RAM lighting syncing with fans. Host the Shadow 5 runs Windows 11 Home, stripped of any bloatware. No hidden trial software, no forced upgrades, just a clean OS ready for gaming, streaming, or work. Connectivity is solid with Wi-Fi 5.8 2.11 AC, which, while not the newest Wi-Fi 6, still offers up to 1.3 gigabits per second on a good router, perfect for 1080p streaming while you game. The rear I/O packs HDMI, DisplayPort, USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports, so you can hook up a 144Hz monitor, external SSD, or VR headset without adapters. And because Skytech throws in a full-size gaming keyboard and mouse, you're ready to play out of the box, no extra spend required. Quick montage of ports, keyboard, mouse. Host all of this lives inside the Skytech Shadow 5 case-tempered glass on the front, sleek black finish, and a cable management system that looks like a showroom build. The case's airflow is engineered to complement the liquid cooler, ensuring the GPU stays under 70 C, even under 100 load. And for peace of mind, you get a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, free technical support, and the whole system is assembled in the US quality control you can trust. Showcase case interior, cables neatly routed. Host, let's talk real-world use. You're a competitive shooter player, Valorant, Counter-Strike 2, who needs consistent 144 FPS at 1080p. The RTX 5070 plus the high refresh monitor output means you'll never miss a headshot due to frame drops. You're a streamer, your audience expects no stutter while you run OBS alongside the game. The 32GB DDR5 and Ryzen 7 give you that headroom. You're a creator rendering 4K video or 3D models in Blender. Those SSD speeds and CPU cores shave minutes off each render. In every scenario, the Shadow 5 delivers a buttery smooth experience without the compromises you'd face with a mid-range air-cooled build. Show split screen of streaming, gaming, and video editing. Host, closing. Energetic. So, is the Skytech Shadow 5 the ultimate all-rounder for 2026? Absolutely. It packs a future-proof CPU, next-gen GPU, lightning-fast storage, premium cooling, and a ready-to-play peripheral bundle, all at a price that undercuts many custom builds with similar specs. If you want to dominate the latest AAA titles at Ultra 1440p, edit 8K footage without a hitch, and avoid thermal throttling forever, this is the machine to get. Call to action, overlay with website link. Host, hit the link in the description, grab your Shadow 5 today, and let us know in the comments what game you'll fire up first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more deep dive reviews. Until next time, stay powered, stay cool, and keep